Makiamukirwo njera-ini ya Baidoa kuria mutaratara uyu ukoretwo ugithii na mbere. Baruthi wa Sweden bururi-ini wa Somalia Mikael Lindval augite matacoketie ikinya riri niguo mateithiririe ohwo aya gwaka miturire yao weru na oho makorwo mari kionereria kuri aria angi. Mutaratara uyu uria ukoretwo ugitwarithio rungu rwa United Nations Assistance Mission in Somalia uri rungu rwa muungano wa urumwe wa kimabũrũri itanya riaguo riri guthomithia maabitha aria mari njera-ini ino ya Baidoa gutigira ihoto ciao maundu ni ciathingatwo na oho kuhe ohwo alshabab kothi iria mangirugamia miturire yao weru nacio.
Today we came with two colleagues from the Swedish Prison and Probation Services in Stockholm to visit the prison here in Baidoa. We have been working through the UN with some staff from that Swedish Prison and Probation Services based here in Baidoa to work with the prison on trying to rehabilitate former alshabab members in the prison. So the idea was to look at the project, see how it's going, see if we can expand it.
Munini wa kiafitha munene njera-ini ino ya Baidoa Adan Ali Ahmed ni acokirie bururi wa Sweden ngatho ni undu wa guteithiriria bururi uyu wa Somalia kuumana na thina wa utoi. Icera riri riukite mweri umwe kuma mabũrũri maria mari rungu rwa mutaratara wa G7 macemania bururi-ini wa London kuria maiguanire gutigira kihoto na wathani murumu bururi-ini wa Somalia ni ciahimbirio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.